Doble na ba ang pagod mo dahil doble ang kayod mo? Baka iba na ang kailangan mo ngayon. Switch to Dear.
May audience ako. Nag-iisa. Nanood siya.
Hindi ko siya si Trainer eh.
Hindi nyo lang alam pero ano na yan. Ginajudge niya na kayo.
Correct.
Papa.
Papa. Papa.
Nabali din yung leg yan eh.
and he would need the glow of dawn that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my love. Anyone who sees her soon forgets the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know, Michael and Jerome, and he would the glow of dawn that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my
Colgate Optic White O2, feeling more of the fastest oxygen whitening. Faster whitening.
Ay, si Jack yun.
Eh no, this live video has ended.
Refresh mo.
Kanina na yan.
Ako live din.
Eh, ano po nga
So,
niya?
ako. Hindi mo dahil.
To dream the impossible dream.
Eric Santos, Eric Santos.
Sige.
Natagal. Ano yung Tagalog?
Susungkit.
Ay!
Susungkitin.
Ano nga yun?
Sabit mo eh.
Yung wag lang yung talagang ano nga, yung
Kulang ako, kumalang.
alam ko yung chorus na. Yung ano, yung
Eh, kung akin ang huli, yun yung susungkitin mga bituin.
ito na lang.
Sabi ni Jet Idol daw palakpakan.
Si Jet.
Bogor lang. Tuwa.
Okay.
Narinig mo yun?
Ayun, benta yung close.
Ini-spray ka ni Wendy, Jet.
You always ask me those words I say. Tell me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I gave you still holding me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know.
Ganda ng boses niya.
I'll never go far from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I miss you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Kahit tayo na lang ako.
Ay,
Okay lang. Ganito pala yung ano, no, yung mag-discuss. What are lives?
I love you.
Tapos ano, parang bayaran ka rin.
1 hour live.
Hindi mo mamalayan siya. Yung ginagawa.
See?
Kasi,
Ilan tayo na
bali 2 hours yun. Isa daw.
Ang ginagawa niya?
Meron daw isa na parang ang time niya nakaupo lang siya tapos may lalabas ng mga points. Gaganunin niya yung pipindutin niya. Tapos yun yung parang papasok sa Gcash niya. Tapos yung isa yung dapat nakikita. Oo.
Imagine mo 2 hours ka nakaupo na.
Oo. Tapos may aabangan siya, may magpa-pack up, pipindutin niya yun.
Basta kung
girl, you are to me all that I want you to be, and I dedicate my life to all you.
malay-malay yung mga kasama niya, pero yung caption niya nakakaasar.
Tuwan-tuwa lang sila.
Kaya sabi natin,
New Jack Daniels and Coca-Cola. Not just ready. Or
sabi natin, no comment ako. Naalala ko.
Unhealthy habits may increase your risk of lifestyle diseases. Try Dr. Prescribed Centrum Advance. May lycopene to help protect your heart. Potassium tumutulong sa normal blood pressure. Chromium na sumusuporta sa normal blood sugar. Centrum Advance.
Sabi kong buo.
Maganda pala yung sa Ipara Music. Yung arrangement, iba yan. Kulang pa ako
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family. Okay. Got your family and they need you there. So I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. The friends trying to tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry. 'Cause I'd rather be caught feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer. But that's just an old fantasy. I'm going to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that feeling when you walk through that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. No other woman is better
Oo nga kanina, oo, sige. Tapos sinunod through the fire.
Ay, kasi ko hindi ba nakagising?
Oh, asan na yung wifi? Wait lang. Yung wifi, yung connection, baka mabagal.
Hindi, naka-wire yan.
Naka-wire na? Balik mo.
Wala talaga. Ano talaga siya?
Manager lang ako dito taga shout out.
Nothing sure is worth more. Looking out, looking in, never knowing all lies ahead.
Gusto mo lagyan ka extension dito?
You can really never tell it all.
Naka-extension.
You know, say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand when some things we get that just say. You can really never tell it all. No, no, no. But oh,
Hello guys.
you see, no matter what happens, life goes on and on and so baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and it'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. See you every time you see the butterflies close, listen to the birds that set the same for you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even the rest way out, everything will be alright. For as long as the world tells us there will be night and day. There's a rainbow after the rain.
Guys, for inquiries.
Hidden high, hidden low, where the music should go. Yeah, yeah. Getting warm, getting cold, but it could be sooner or later. Baby, this is a life now, don't get mad. No, 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 no. But oh, can't you see? No matter what happens, life goes on and on, and so baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and it'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. So you never fly blue, see the butterflies close, listen to the birds that will set the sail for you and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even in the rest right now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be light and day. Can you feel me? There's a rainbow after the rain. There's so much challenges and all the time that what we want, but when there's that money, you take it strong and you make me feel as strong as you're strong. Not giving you anything, so I say we should get this first not too long.
bago mag-start yung kanta, may dedication muna.
Ganon?
Shoutout muna, shoutout.
Sige, gago. Ikaw lumauna.
Ba't ako?
Okay. Dahil na ta, sabi niya to.
Orlando Chu.
Ano yung laging handa?
Sige, dedicate. Ito, dedicate ko to sa mga... Itong kanta to, dedicate ko to sa mga ano, yung mga doing their best, but they're not doing whatever it takes. Ganon. Diba? Good luck to me. Sing with me, guys.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Since nothing ever changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can you figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last so very long?
niya, sana.
Maghahanap ka na dahil sa...
Ano na yung kay ate?
Ay, ito yung better days.
Better days, better days.
Oh, yan na, Jet! Yan ka na, Jet!
Jet, mas masarap sa naik kaysa sa MOA.
Para kay Jet daw, para kay Jet.
Ensure Gold with HMB and Triple Protein helps slow down muscle decay and build muscle strength.
Jet, yung assignment mo sa akin, ha?
Tama. Pa-request having you near me.
Sino yan? Sige. Near me, dito sa naik. Close pa, hindi near. Close.
Baba.
Low key. Bigat mo daw, Jet. Jet pangan.
Kiss mo na ako.
Performance PH.
Kiss.
Sayang wala si Chris, no? Ganda pala ng kwestuhan niyo lahat dyan.
Oo nga. She's
direct. Jen, upo-upo na lang. Ganito, swing.
Samok.
Run into cars now.
Okay naman.
It's time to destroy you.
She's targeting every place I go.
Sabi ni Jet.
Sabi ni Jet. O, ano yan?
So, nandito ka, kakanta ako.
Cover speech. Okay. Tama. O, diba? Bigat? Ang bigat mo daw, Jen. Yan noon. Noon, while, you know, your assignments.
Tatapusin ko sana kasi may nag-request.
Buti na lang, Sam. Save. Save yung ano, Pips. Kaya yan ang mic.
Alin?
Matapat mo doon sa search ng mic.
Yung mic doon yun.
Ito na eh.
Kaya. One day, bukas,
Monday!
uwi ka. Uwi ka dito.
Tamang one day ba yan? Tamang one day?
Kailan ba yung one day na yan?
Sometimes I lie under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and the children will play, because one day, one day, one day, oh, oh, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they feed on the souls of the innocents. Blood, dredge, pavement, keep on moving through the water, stays a raging. In this maze you can lose your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you, no way, no way. Sometimes in my dreams I fall, I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll turn around, 'cause all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There will no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day this all will change, with people to say, stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun, sing the song of freedom that we all, we all, we all, we all. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There will no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
Para sa akin.
Para sa akin. Sandali, ate. Ayan na, sama. Gcash mo na lang. 09.
Pa-dates ka daw, dates. Pakidala yung dates dito sa Zimbabwe. Yeah. Di ba lang kang gas-gas dito yun eh. Yeah. Gas-gas dito.
Popor, please.
Sabotage. Wala, 9 o'clock pa lang sa Japan. Ay, di pala balik. Wala pa
Sa GC lang po.
Bisan. Kaya maganda yung kanta, kaya ano. Wala pa nag-aano. Masalamat ko sila. Masalamat sila.
Ika'y maghihihain, di ka na lumuluha pa. Pangatang ipalolo ko, ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako
Baby pala.
Yung bagong new wire. New wire. Kona.
Ha?
Kona.
You have to get that.
Global Karaoke TV.
Big version yan.
Naku po.
Oo, yan.
Dapat
Dapat
yung
yung
question.
May sapat na maririnig. Patay ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin It's not easy to get my kids going anymore. But there is something they like getting up for. Cover speech.
Dito.
Una pa lang, wala naman.
Mabigat na. Ano to eh? Mabigat.
Ano mabigas?
Kaya nagka. Hawakan natin si Pips. Hawakan na rin pa din. Hindi kinakain na yun.
Nalagay ako sa aking mukha para di nila malaman ang tunay na nagkanap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Inisay pang mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil sa buong umiiyak dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. Akong bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka na iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin ang sisisihin? Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka na iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Saan ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan. Kung sinong pa nagmamahal, siya pang naiiwan. Siya pang naiiwan. Ang hirap magpapapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba?
Okay ka mo kanina, di ba?
Tapos na.
We are so sorry. Sorry na. Okay, sorry. Nakikisountgrade na nga sila eh.
would like to be appreciated.
Pasama ka, ate, ha? Oh, chill naman. Jessie naman, si Jessie naman. Chill lang.
Chill.
Kapag Moira ka na kasi, papatuloy ka na rin na Jessie.
Chill mo yun ba?
Wala ka pang babae.
Ano babae mo?
Ayan. Hindi ka kumanda ng Sassy.
Hindi ko siya vocal sa... Hindi mataas mo ko wala lang yung reason, ha? Hindi ko kaya.
Sige, pag sumugtod sa mga sinihinaan.
Sige ko. Wala ka naman ng bawat ano. Wala ka naman.
Hindi ba pinapahinaan lang?
Nadali na ka ng hero yun.
Sila lahat eh.
Kaya yung iba, bakit kaya gandaan na kasi
Umiyak.
bigla.
Tatanong isip di raw maintindihan
Close ano na lang daw.
kung ano nararamdaman.
Susunod na si Kong kaya.
Dapat
Ewan si Jessica ko baka mapakan. Susunod na sa'yo.
ikaw lamang
Sama na ikaw? Sama na ikaw.
ang nag-iisa
Hindi abot.
Pinunsa naman na din.
Oo nga.
dapat bang isipin mo na
Yung isang hindi kasi, ang chocolate. Really to sa ibang vlog. Yung maligyan mo na sila sa manaya. O talaga yung babae. O nagpo.
Bulong ng iyong dami
Nausun siya kaya tiway.
ibig na walang
Pati nga yung Shih Tzu ni Coach Tindy.
ang siyang nais kong makamtan ngayon ay narito handang umibig sa iyo
Dala-dala ito o.
na walang katapusan pagkakaba dapat bang isipin walang hanggan saan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan kahit kailan di kita pababayaan kahit kailan kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko di na alam kung kakayanin pa kaya umibig pang muli kahit na ano pang mangyayari di maaaring papalit sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli.
Itira niya yung si Paul eh. Nakakaya naman, nag-mail
kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan hindi mapagbago. Kahit kailan biyahe ka pa.
March 5? Oh, sige, tama.
Kasi, 17, ay, 8, 9, 10 tayo, di ba?
Oo. Sige. Kala ko din mo sa
Alam ng gitara sa baba, kasi tayo daw siya talaga eh.
Oo.
Para nasaan na tayo, recording.
Okay na, okay na, nakakarinig pa din. Pero wala nang ano, yung bass nakakarinig sa wala na.
Dalugdog.
Doble pagod kahit doble pagod. Switch to Fairlife Power Plus para doble ang tibay.
Hindi nga ako kumain dito. Nakilali na ako dun sa kaibigan ko.
Ha? Eh, dito.
Kasi kung umalis ako, pinabigay ko na lahat ng mga siguro.
Pero ang sad yan, kaya pwede, nanonood sila doon ako eh. Dito na ako, miss ko na din kayo.
March, ano namin, isang po, hindi ka naman nag-update sa amin. Kala namin na-rape ka na.
Nag-update ako, nag-text nga ako sa center ko. Basta nag-text ako sa...
Wendy Luciera ang na ano mo, nagtaka siya, bakit nag-text sa kanyang ganun?
Tingnan mo kaya.
Siguro na yung anak ko ba, na hindi ako nakakapalit na yan. Or magbasa ko nila yung ginagawa nila, hindi ako nakakapalit.
Bakit?
Tayo na ako, 150 pa ang pamasahe.
Wala ko.
Sige tama.
Ulit ako palawan.
Kung